The Automated Agricultural Analytics Project has a short-term aim and a long-term vision. In the short term, we've been providing automated advice to farmers by building an Android mobile phone app. We've worked with a group of 6 subject experts at the Federal College of Animal Health and Production Technology in Plateau State, Nigeria, to put together a knowledge base of useful information about the 16 most popular crops and animals that are farmed in Plateau State. Because input of text to mobile phones can be tedious, we worked with the subject experts to make it as simple as possible for farmers to find relevant answers by a selection from menus that help classify the problem. The final system has many hundreds of questions on subjects as diverse as: what quantity of water do I need to give my dairy cow every day? To what do I do when my maize contains reddish-brown beetles and there are white, legless grubs feeding on them? Where the farmer does not find an answer to their problem in the system, they can then submit their own question to the system, and they are provided with a tailored answer by the subject experts, and the new question and new answer are added to the software for the benefit of everyone else. We developed the software over several months, and we studied its usefulness with rural farmers in several different situations in Nigeria. And the feedback is that it makes a lot of information and expertise available at their fingertips, which would have been harder to come by otherwise. I said at the start that the project had a short-term aim and a long-term vision. The short-term aim has largely been met. The Farmer Assistance app is available on the Google App Store and provides useful advice to rural farmers. However, to have maximum effect, the software will need to be widely deployed, and that brings into focus the longer-term vision for the project. With many people using the app, anonymized data can be made available that gives a wider picture of the current issues in agriculture for the state. For example, use of the system by farmers might reveal that there is a big issue in the state with egg health or with specific diseases on chickens. This type of data allows the Ministry of Agriculture to plan interventions or information campaigns to address the issues identified. We have met with the Minister of Agriculture for Plateau State and with those of her staff responsible for extension work supporting rural farmers. They've expressed support for the wider deployment of the app in the state and for taking on its technical support in the longer term, but that has not happened yet.